guys, it's me Sarah and welcome to another video. So I got this new squishy bear from Gabby's. Guys, this is like so cute. The little hair. It's like so cute. Oh, and I have 3 bowls. And I'm gonna open with you guys. And so let's see. I love this one. It's really good. Like, I love this. It doesn't. I love the shaving cream ones because it's really good. And they're really really satisfying. So this is actually cute. Okay, now I'm gonna do blue, pink, and green. Probably not circles. This is easy to open. And through here is like a little hole, like in the middle. There's like what's here. You can feel, look, from that little hole. There's like little holes. You can feel it. And it's through the packaging. You can feel it too. And it's like really good. So I got the blue one. Look. No, you're kidding with me. This is actually really good. It's like the pink one that I used to have. It was like a little thing. I popped it. But this one is like a ball. Like, you know, like those squishies that go on your hand. Like, yeah, those. I used to have one of those. It was a pink one. And it looks like this. A pink one. I obviously grabbed it because I knew it was going to be really good. Oh, there's a pink one. It's stuck. Ooh, okay. This is actually like a reddish, sparkly. This is actually really good. And really sparkly. Ooh, yeah, even attached. Look. Oh. So, okay. And then we have this pink one. Obviously, the pink one is like, obviously, mine. Everything is mine. And there's a third one. This is a green one. Last one. This is actually really good. I'm confused. Why did it came like this? I know this one was a squishy because I squished it, and in the top it says squishy. Looks squishy. So like honestly, you're gonna know it's a squishy. So right now we have welcome green sparkles. Welcome to the blue ocean sparkles. Blue ocean sparkles. Good. And we have a pink mermaid one. Sparkles. Pinkish. No, this is called a unicorn sparkles. Doesn't look as like pink on the camera, but actually it is pink. It looks so red. Red's right here. But actually it's like pink. So it's a pinkish reddish. Let's just say that. It's called Rainbow Sparkles Pink. Rainbow because it has like the sparkles and it's pink. It's actually pink. This is like the perfect one I ever squishy I ever owned. Like I swear this is so good. So wait, God, I'm gonna rate these. So I thought this was gonna be purple. Like I forgot it was green, but I thought it was gonna be purple. Because like my favorite colors are pink, obviously, blue, and then my third favorite color is purple. But actually, I'm okay first. This one was first in the package. So first is this blue ocean. Okay, so I actually give this it's actually my second favorite color, and it's really good. And the name is really good because it is like really like I'm saying, like really like sparkly. It gets dirty really fast too. And if you squish it too much, like I love this because when you squish it, like it makes a little circle. Look. I like this one. I'm gonna give this a 8.5 out of 10. Actually, next is this one. No, I'm gonna go in order how it works. Okay, next was this pink one, pinkish reddish unicorn. I love this because this is my favorite color, and it is like it's really sparkly, and I like the name. Like the name that I made up is really good because like it's sparkly and it's pink and pinkish reddish, and like I feel like this is a really good squishy, and I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10. No, actually I'm gonna give this new one, like I said, really good because it does like that little circle. So I'm gonna give this a 9. And I'm gonna give this actually a 9.5 out of 10. Next, yeah, I just told you this one. This is my favorite color, but it is really sparkly, and the name is really good. So I think I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10. A 10 out of 10. Obviously, girly pop. A 10 out of 10 for me. I got a drop. Daddy, I got a drop.
You got a drop?
Look, it was coming in.
Really?
Okay.
It was a little low.
Cool, that's what was getting wet. Okay, whatever. Next was this green one. I did this. I love the color. I love the name. Actually I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna put this as green apple. No, actually coconut. No, actually coconut water. No, actually no.
Coconut water.
Okay. I think so. I'm gonna give this a. It is my actually fourth color. No, this is my fifth color I like. So I think so. I'm gonna give this one a 8.5 out of 10. It's actually really good because the name is really good. It is actually really good, and its green is the like really perfect color that I like, and it's really good. Okay, next to this teddy bear, I give this a 10 out of 10. I wish all my squishies were here because then I could compete each of them. Look at that big feet. Oh. And he's the hospital. Look. Here's the feet. Look. I'm just joking. It's so much better. Okay, but I give this bear, it is Jumbo. A 10 out of 10. Like girl, like boy. I mean, Queens and the dreams. I swear, guys, this is like so good. And you can stretch it, and it's like the perfect because I love teddy bears, and it's the perfect size for my finger. It's really fluffy. Has really good color. The brown. This is really classic because like the classic is giving classic. That rhymes, okay? And it's like look at that finger. Look at that finger. Yeah, but this is my second favorite. This is my second shaving cream. Yeah, it is shaving cream. Like the foam in it, yeah. This is actually my second, cause the cheese and that's it. My banana broke, so no, so it doesn't count. So I only had 2. Okay, Taylor, say something. You better subscribe. I'm gonna punch you. Yeah, you better listen to little Mr. Bear. So you better do that. Tell them again. You better subscribe. I'm gonna punch you. If you're not subscribed, I'm gonna punch you really hard. Pew, pew, boom, boom. Yeah, and I'm gonna say the rest. You better like, comment, share, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.